Hi friends, this is one of the premium and very effective and customers impressive model from Pure Electric Vehicle. The model name is ePluto 7G. This is their one of their top end model. This 7G comes with all features what is required for a two-wheeler. We will talk about the vehicle all round now, and later I will go with each and every part of this vehicle. First, this vehicle comes with a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and the total battery range comes to around 120 kilometers. The battery charging time comes to around 3.5 to 4 hours. So if you charge for 3.5 to 4 hours, the battery do take the time taken for charging of the battery is 3.5 to 4 hours, and usual consumption, if you talk about electricity consumption for 3.5 to 4 hours, is nearly 3 units. So for example, for a in the consumption of 3 units, you will get around 120 kilometers mileage. If you actually convert it into rupees, for around spend of around 9 to 10 rupees, you can drive around 100 kilometers. This is one of the economical and very environmental friendly vehicle. And now we'll go to the each and every features of this vehicle. This vehicle is the looks of the vehicle is much appreciated by lot of the customers, and you can see the looks. The looks is a blend of our elegant Chetak and Vespa. So this is very well rated by the customers, and the customers are much pleased with the looks of the vehicle, which is much more prime important. And if you talk about the fit and finish of this vehicle, you can see from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom, the finish is very excellent. You don't get even a single scratch or a dump design or like that. The design is so aerodynamic and the more aesthetic. The design has been taken care properly. So this has been designed with very pleasant looks also. If you talk about the colors availability of this vehicle is available in its red, blue, white, matte black, gray, yellow and silver colors. So earlier they have given it in 4 colors. Now golden, yellow and silver are the new variants which has come into the system, and these colors are much been appreciated by these customers. Now we will go from the front. So what are all the things are available on this vehicle? So if you just come from the top, you have an LED light. The upper dipper light is there, and it's the reflector is also been there, and you can see the side indicators and parking lights. So this has been designed, and the design of the lights and side indicators are so pleasing. The customers are much more happy with the kind of looks what it gives. And later if you come to the front wheel as usual, it comes with the alloy wheels and disc brake and tubeless tires. So if you talk about the tire size, it is 90 by 100, and in the rear you will be getting 3x10, right? So, and if you talk about this is the regular disc brake, what is much more efficient. And if you talk about the shock absorbers, these are telescopic shock absorbers, which is been much more efficient when compared to the regular coil shock absorbers. And if you just come to the sideways, so you have a very beautiful leg room where you can actually keep even 2 bubble water cans also. And the seating, if you can see the seating capacity, 2 people can easily sit and they can go on to the road. And if you talk about the compartment space which has been available here, so in the front they have given a small compartment space where you can put some documents or some dry items. This is a small one, but it is required, and that is detachable also. Yeah. And if you talk about the dashboard of this vehicle, so you have a complete LED kind of look, and see the battery charging indicator is also been there, and you have an odometer and the modes of 1, 2, 3. These modes have been also been displayed here. Now P means it's in parking mode, and if you want to go into the drive mode, you have to just press P, and then you have to just start the accelerator. Now the accelerator is on, and in the mode 1 you can go up to 40 kilometers per hour, and in the mode 2 you can go up to 50 to 55 kilometers per hour, and in the mode 3 you can go up to 60 km per hour. As it is on in the showroom and it is not on the road, you are actually been seen somewhere above 60 kilometer per hour is the limit what it has been done. And if you just press the and you have all the indicators, so which has been there. If any sensor is not working, it indicates very properly. There is a brake indicator, there is other indicators what are all required for your fault analysis. So all these indicators are also been shown just like the car. And this is a battery charging indicator. So now the battery is full charged. So once the battery is full charged, it has been shown like this. It's just like our mobile display, right? So if the battery charger, if the battery charging display it comes to around 2 points, then you can go for the charging of the scooter. Okay. So and if you come to the handlebar, you have an normal two brakes, front end brake at the left and right as usual in the two-wheeler, and you have higher dipper, and you have horns on the two sides. Okay. So this is the horns, and you have indicators towards your left hand side, and coming to the right hand side you have one range selector, that is 1, 2, 3. So whichever the speed you want to run, that can be selected. So 1, 2, 3 in the, as I have already told you, and the number 1 is, that is the headlight on and off switch, and that is the horn. So this is very simple and very classically designed means structure. So it is very easy to handle, and the customers has a proper understanding of this regularly. And if you come to the keys, so you will be getting 4 keys along with this from the company, and you have a remote also. And this is one of the very classical one. In that remote you have lock unlock facility, and even you have theft lock also. So if you lock it, if somebody comes and holds your vehicle, that will give a siren, and even the back drum also will get locked. So this is one of the theft lock facility which is available as like cars. So you have all the sophisticated technology which has been inbuilt in this one. And now you have keyless driving also. So this is one thing. So now if you just press it twice, you will get keyless driving, and there is no need for you to just key it on and all the ignition key. So you can just do the keyless driving also. So the facility through the remote, it is just like cars. So you have lock, unlock, keyless driving, and you have, so park means when you park your vehicle somewhere and you don't know where it is, so you can just have this alarm so that it will sound it, and you can go and find your vehicle there. So and later now you can open the seat. So to understand what is the battery there, the battery is 2.5 kilowatt hour battery, and it is 60 volts battery. So this battery can be charged directly also, and this battery can be charged even with detachable also. So if you don't have option in your parking area to charge directly, you can take out the battery like this, and you can take it inside your house and you can charge it. So for charging this battery, it will take at least 3.5 to 4 hours of time. So as I already told you, it will consume 3 units for full charge. So if you take it into the rupees, you will be, the battery will give you 120 kilometers of mileage for 3 units of current. Nearly it is for the spend of 10 rupees, you can drive up to 100 kilometers. So this battery has been placed inside, and it is completely waterproof, and and this battery is completely sealed with their complete package. So it is waterproof unless until the battery won't get unnecessarily damaged because of some rains and everything. The placement of the battery is such a way that even though during the rains, even though the water comes up to the footboard also, the battery won't get wet. So this is designed that way. And coming to the back side, so you have seen the good leg space and the good design of the aerophilic. And now coming to the back wheel, you have coil shock absorbers, and the motor which is been fixed directly to the rear wheel. This motor is 1.5 kilowatt hour nominal and 2.2 kilowatt hour peak BLDC motor, and this is completely water sealed motor, and you cannot even the water cannot go inside that, and the motor is directly coupled to the wheel. So that will give you a proper efficient energy transfer, and the energy loss is nearly zero. So coming to the chassis of this vehicle, so you can see a lot of very good aesthetic look fenders has been kept, and the chassis which is inside is a very strong chassis, and it can take up to 170 kgs of weight, so two people can go easily. The chassis is a tubular chassis, so which is been put inside. So you can see the chassis which is there, center stand, side stand, and the chassis has been there. Friends, this vehicle design and all the R&D is been associated with IIT Hyderabad, and you can say that this is our Hyderabadi excellent, efficient, economical, go electric vehicle design. Thank you.